let's take a look at the intraday algorithms. Understanding the intraday algorithms will help you understand what to be looking out for in the next trading day. Now, right here at 10:38. So remember, all these are in the Discord server. Live analysis at 10:38 as a timestamp right there. So please, Discord members, do refer back to the analysis that you can understand it better. Now at 10:38, which is here. So 10:38 was about here. This is 10:38 a.m. Right, you see how the pink algorithm was building liquidity. And just take a look for yourself how beautiful the pink algorithm was building liquidity here, isn't it? Once we broke out very cleanly. Now I mentioned that I charted the purple algorithm, and you see how the purple was building the perfect liquidity together with the pink and the teal here, and grabbing the liquidity of the pink perfectly here, and giving you that beautiful trade all the way to the 5-day moving average. Now at this point there was absolutely no reason to short this. You can short this. These are beautiful short trades as well, but when shorting this, you need to know that this is the pullback for the pink algorithm, the pink and purple in this case. When you can see it, you cannot unsee it anymore, right? When you understand how these pullback can be beautiful head for the inverse head and shoulder pattern right there, even briefly, right? So even though it showed quite beautifully in the teal, which you can still profit from this, right? I made money from this teal algorithm right here as well. So that was the yeah, you could still make good money, right? So it was a very nice put down. But you don't go further down until the yellow algorithm here, right? So it's important when you identify the yellow, right, as we did as early as 10:34. Now you will be much clearer to know when not to go short on your, go heavy on your shorts, right? Because you understand then that this is just a pullback. Because you identified that, knowing the yellow here is protecting your downside. So when you see teal is actually selling, but controlled by your pink and your purple, right, this becomes very clear for you, understanding that this is a beautiful head and shoulder pattern, inverse head and shoulder pattern right there. Now thereafter, I want you to see how the market was just building. Just see for yourself. Penny, perfect.